back in February, I sent in my very first ThredUP box. I sent 24 items, and they accepted 19, so that's quite a bit. I heard they usually only accept 40 to 60% of items most of the time. So that was about an 80% acceptance rate. So I was pretty happy. I was pretty picky about the things that I sent, though. I sent them a Luxe box. I had requested a ThredUP Luxe label, so I could, you know, get the free return assurance, come back to me. So if they didn't accept it, I got my items back. So here are the items that they did not accept. They sent 5 items back. Kind of surprised on some of these items, and I was expecting them more to send back a lot of the bread and butter items that I had sent in. But well, I'll mention what they did take. But these are the items that they returned back to me for some reason. The first item is an Acris Punto dress, a little A-line dress. I didn't find this exact blue one online, but I found a pinkish coral one, almost like, I think it's just like it, but it retailed for like $1,300. So I was kind of hoping that they accepted this, but I don't know if they felt like this was too much of a navy, like schoolgirl uniform. I don't know. So I may just list this in my Posh Closet, or on eBay, or I may try to send it back again. And the other is this J. Crew. Yeah, J. Crew, the pencil skirt. It's a seersucker type pinstripe. I thought for sure that they were going to take this, but they didn't take this either. There's nothing wrong with it. So I'll probably just list that as well. Another item. This feels, guys, this feels brand new, like it's never even been washed. But this is a Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress, and it's so cute. I don't know why they wouldn't accept it. I mean, other than maybe there's something I'm not seeing. But I'll look it over good, and you know, I may list this myself as well. But yeah, they didn't accept that. I don't know why. And I don't know how to say this, okay? I think it's Marmot, but I'm probably wrong. I don't know. But there's this jacket. Pretty sure it's a women's. So maybe they thought that it was a men's, and that's why they sent it back. But it's hooded. It's got pearl snaps. I mean, it's kind of a springy color. So I thought for sure that they would take it. Lots and lots of pockets. And then the mesh lining. I don't know, super cute. But they didn't take it. And then the last item that they didn't accept, which I was hoping they would, because if they accepted it, then that proves that they're authentic. But they said, whenever I asked them why they didn't accept them, I reached out to the concierge, the Luxe concierge, and they said they didn't accept them because they were cracked or scratched, and the lenses look like there's hardly any wear at all. But they are Jimmy Choo kitty sunglasses. They say kitty/S. I think they're real. I've had these for so long. They were too small for my head. I have a big head, so they never fit right, but they're like super, super cute. Have the stars. The items that they did accept, though, so they accepted a Dooney & Burke shoulder bag. It's currently listed for $126.99. The next thing is this BCBG Max Azria cardigan. There's another one listed like it, in another color, I think. So I priced it around the same. I maxed it. I learned that from Melissa's from Vandy's Closet. She's like the ThredUP guru. So if you haven't been to her channel, I'm pretty sure you probably have. Go check it out. But yeah, she says to max everything at the 80% of the retail, and then, you know, you can drop it down from there. But she's had several things though that have sold for full price. So I mean, that's motivating. But yeah, I have this sweater. It's kind of brown, super, it's comfortable. And it actually, both of those items are a part of the extra 15% off bonus for if something sells, you get that bump. I think it's mainly for people who are just starting out on ThredUP. They have a list of designers and brands that give that extra 15% bump if you sell those items. But I think what you've been selling for a while, you don't get that incentive. But, and then the next item is this Joseph Ribcaw casual dress. Still had the tags on it. It's kind of a stretchy, I think it's like a leopard print material. Super cute. But it's got like this metallic type of leopard material. I don't know. Very cute. Oh, and this Wilson's leather jacket. This one was, I believe, an extra large. No, this was the medium, I believe. No, small. But it was like an immaculate condition, and it's kind of almost like a two-tone leather, not really a distressed look, but just the two where it fades into another color. This Rebecca Minkoff, it is a cold shoulder sweater. It's gray, kind of almost has like a hint of a purple. They accepted that one. Super soft. Oh, that had 15% bump as well. Then there was this Longchamp, my Longchamp leather. It's a Penelope bucket bag in this blue mist color. It's beautiful. I picked it up from Goodwill for about $10. Was not hardly anything. Didn't even look like it was been used. It was missing the outside like tassel or the tag on the outside, but other than that, it was immaculate. They also said it looked like it had stains or whatever. Did not. Their pictures, however, on the front and back, I don't know if it's a shadow, but it looks like there's a stain on both sides. That was not there when I sent it in. I think it's a shadow because it's the same shape on the front and the back, but when it's over there, like worn as a crossbody on the mannequin, you cannot see it. So I think it's something in how they took their pictures. But I have that listed currently. It also has the 15% bump, but it's already at the max anyway for payout because it's currently listed at $466.99. So my payout will be $420. I've dropped it down several times. Usually try to drop it down 5 to 10% because after 5%, the people who have favorited the item get a notification. But the first week, I want to say it was in and out of somebody's cart. Like they would leave it in and then somebody add it again and then somebody would add it again. And so it actually has 59 days left because it stops the clock when it gets added to somebody's cart, whereas the rest of my items are like 54 days. So it looks like it was in and out for 5 straight days. Next is a Just Cavalli dress. It is so cool. It is like a bodycon, like winged feathers, black and white, super cute. And then this Banana Republic silk blazer. I wasn't sure they'd accept it. I think I paid $1 for it. So, but it looks brand new. The little big enamel buttons. They have no scratching, like they've never been worn. An Ann Taylor Loft casual dress. Oh, this Eva Franco casual dress. It is a strapless cocktail dress, plaid cocktail dress with a little bow on the front. Super cute. I just knew somebody would want it for prom, but it didn't sell. And another Wilson's jacket, except for this one is an extra large, black, White House black market skirt. It's got polka dots and some color blocking, but it's got like tiered layers. Obermeyer jacket. ski jacket with a hood, has a little heart thing. It's super cute. Had some wear on the zipper, so I'm kind of surprised they took it. I needed to fill space in the rest of my box that I sent. Overmeyer is a good brand, don't get me wrong, but I just thought some of the condition of the zipper and stuff, they were for sure wouldn't take it. But with it being like a big light fluffy jacket, it didn't add a whole lot of weight, and it helped everything from moving my box. So I sent it and they accepted it, so I'm kind of surprised. A K-Unger dress. It's also animal print, leopard print, sheath dress. Oh, a Talbot's cashmere green pullover sweater. I thought for sure that this was gonna sell for like St. Patrick's Day. And a St. John Santana knit skirt, long maxi skirt. I wish they would have mentioned that it has a really long slit up the side. Didn't mention that at all, so it looks kind of boring just on the mannequin because you can't see the slit, but it's cute. They accepted that. And the 3 things that have sold. I have sold 3 things so far out of all of those. The first was the Nushka leather shoulder bag. It's like one of those painted leather bags. It's gorgeous. I think I paid like $10 for it at a consignment store. And my payout was $182.40. So I was very, very happy. I think it sold for like $227 something within, God, it wasn't very long. I want to say the first week. And then the next thing that got pulled for a goodie box was a Banana Republic sleeveless blouse. It was a silk blouse, kind of cute, had some little raw ruffle around the neckline, but they pulled that for a goodie box, and I got paid out right away for $21.60. That was my payout. And then the last thing, and the good thing about like purses is that when purses sell, it's a final sell. So you pretty much get paid instantly, well, within a couple of days probably, because normally they have their 14-day return period, which is currently 45 days, but bags are always a final sell. So yeah, I got paid out right away on that bag. But see, I also sold this Claire V clutch. It's like a macrame bag, like tie bag. But that's another item with, along with that long check bag. They were in and out of somebody's cart like for the first week. So I was kind of surprised it didn't sell right away. So my payout was $37.45, which is quite a bit considering I only paid $3 for it at the Goodwill. So that is all on my first ThredUP box. So they put 3 in the queue, and I received 3 labels. So I have 3 more to send. Hopefully I can get those ready in the next couple weeks. I know a lot of people aren't sending, so hopefully I can jump on that whenever they do start accepting them again. That was my first ThredUP box. Hopefully more sell. Currently says remaining potential payout is about $2,100. When I sent this box in with all 24 items, I said I'm gonna be happy if I get $500 to $700 for all this stuff. I mean, and I've already gotten like $240 maybe. So I've already made $240 off this box, not bad. And then if I don't sell it all, I can just send it back or something like that again. Hopefully they'll accept it again. But yeah, I'd say it's off to a good start. I probably only paid $40 to $50 for everything that they accepted. So I think I'm already good. Hopefully I'll share what I send next time and what they accept again. So check out any future videos. Thanks for watching.